Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Shri. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this easy glitter eye makeup. Before jumping into the video, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use Beauties eyeshadow base. This base has a concealer consistency, so I'm going to take just a little bit because it is so pigmented, and I'm going to blend it out with my finger. It blends out easily with finger. This base helps to blend eyeshadow really well and also makes it stay in place the whole day. You can also use concealer instead of eyeshadow base. And for today's look, I'm going to be using one of the cult favorite palette. It is Jaclyn Hill Palette. First, I'm going to pick up this soft transition shadow. I'm going to use Zoeva fluffy blending brush. I'm going to apply this transition shadow all over the lid and in my crease as well. The shadows in this palette are so pigmented. I'm going to take a little bit at a time and then I'm going to concentrate on blending. Once this transition shadow is blended really well, next I'm going to pick up red toned brown shadow using the same fluffy blending brush. I'm going to apply this shadow all over the lid and in my crease on top of the transition shadow that we placed earlier. I'm going little by little and I'm focusing on the blending part because I want the shadow to look very soft and blended for this look. I'm going to place the color first and then I'm going to blend it from inward to outward all over the lid in my crease, as I said, and also I'm going to wing it out. And once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. I'm going to use Colourpop BFF liner. It's a pen eyeliner. I would highly recommend you guys to use a pen liner instead of a classic liquid liner if you are a beginner, because it makes it so easier to create a wing with a pen liner. I'm going to start lining my eyes from inner part towards the outer part, and also I'm going to create a small little triangle on the outer part as a wing. I'm going to create the eyeliner a little bit thicker because later I'm going to use false lashes, so it's gonna cover up a little bit. Then I'm going to take Lime Crime Diamond Dew glitter eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this as a glitter liner using a thin artist brush. I'm going to apply the glitter just above the black liquid liner and I'm going to follow the same path. There are so many glitter liners available in the market. I would highly recommend you guys to using a glitter liner instead of a loose glitter so that it really makes it easier for you to create a wing. Then I'm going to apply Ardell Demi Wispies lashes. Then using Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm going to tight line my eyes, and for my waterline I'm going to apply Pat Cosmetics nude liner. You can of course use a black liner in your waterline as well. Then I'm going back in with a transition shadow and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up this brown shadow and I'm going to apply this on top of the transition shadow. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone using this champagne color very lightly. I'm not going with an intense inner corner highlight here because I want all the attention on the glitter. Then I'm going to apply Smashbox Superfine Mascara on my lower lashes. And this is a finished look, you guys. It is so simple and easy. Even if you're a beginner, you can definitely recreate this look, and this look is so perfect for this holiday season. And as I said before, I would highly recommend you guys to pick up liquid glitter liner instead of using loose glitters. If you have any questions or requests, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. And thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload the new video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.